Purity, baby. La we maintenant.
You understand?
I don't walk away. I'm not you.
You understand? Who are you walking as how? Why her? No, no sense. What's so good about Cameroon?
I don't walk away.
Hey!
When the case to get you was purity, you put the yaga, purity, you put the egg.
And you hear me like seriously. So, didn't me walk in less short enough. Oh, I can hear who on the other years of purity. I don't know what can who got a book of any way? You like it.
Me. Who were we? When
I want out of your way, I like me.
You cost for me.
Hey, whoa.
No, you have if you boy, yo. And I let me, you know. You are mad. You are mad. Me, anybody, anybody. Yes, you are mad.
I'm mad. Me, mad.
What's the plan?
You know.
See, I don't really know what to say right now. Don't mind this fool. This blockheaded guy that can't even express himself. How will he be insulting me? He insulted me.
Mama, too beg yourself for me.
I can't even imagine myself going out with you. Why will you be asking me out? Dirty boy like you?
It's me you caused to be my father. But too beg yourself for me.
Efilo Zebo. What can Otana?
Oh, when you go one
Efilo Zebo. What am I getting? Why go to where?
Whatever. Is he your son? Oh my God! Like seriously. I can't even imagine this. That you can't even express yourself as well. I think both of you need education. You need education in your life. You need to be fast. God! No wonder. My father likes son. Look at this dirty, stinky boy asking me out. I can't imagine dating a dirty boy like you. No. Stupid boy.
Baba, when you do, when you borrow the way, la father la son. We ma jẹ ropa, e pe wa mu me. So test me do imagine you go eri me, me no je.
Efe. Me o ku mana.
E ba we ma jo me ma jo.
O ka gbo kan do bo yin ma. Ele.
Bali mi o.
Wow. Fucking.
Uzolo pa waje na ne do sa wa ya pari eko wa so mi ayewo na so lo ba ga mi dan ban ni ogbe so bi no wa be gele pa na o gbe do ba me bi no se mi agun agbon dereva
Iyo awe na we ma we mi omo enu we na ka wo ani ba ke ni we yo iyo mi nu ni wa ya so ya we yo nu enu ya de riye ke nu enu ya obekun we ka o nege we ra me ni we do wo mo na we yo ma o de ye na do sa me kede o we me hu dan kai
me
o we ru da we na mo do sa ge ko nu do mu yo mo ya o we to wo a ma mi wa ya so ya emi panya o tagina o bere te to re e ba we ara ono ru kini e we ya na hu dan o ma ka mo dan
ye do sa wetin me wo a
kai
we e da me gbe sha da o gi je do sa o tai o ogu wo itawo imake no eni ladebo so kon pa va ino wa be ya vioyin wa va be dia wa e baba na wa be dia be be o mami me ekoni e country ni ekoni ti me hian ti me ri ekoni ni e be jo agbon be me be hin no man ye ri e bo na e do ta mo wa gbe mo ime oba ya mo gino wa worry
a ko de ya la no se mo e agbowo uda ewe gba no tatala where me de Emila do gba do gin
ofita no kwo a ka oje newspaper mi abe tam wa we oswo e bi oswo oswo nya ni ko na bi oswo de
oswo bi oswo agi oswo no te bi oswo
e ke no ri bi o ege ime we mi tam we oswo se ti bi oswo àwọn ewori on
oswo no te bi we
o salo bo awe eru ne e wa na no we o we ayo no o wa na je na o wa na e we go no ma mi talk na here sleep we am you
era boa
we am you
era bo
o do ama mi ra mi
era boa
we do ya me so that me eri me na wo so lo pa ojo obo ne o gwa e mo tori oye lelele e moto na ro ha tita oye lelele woni oye me gbura me a weri me geri me a o ma me ra me a bo mo no ri me geri me do weri me geri me ne agbon ama me ne azambo ze mi o titi we ade bedi wo wi oyi no ya tin o ke hi wo zo bobo agbon ati na yayi o pie me gini ru bi pie wa bi wo ya sin ekoto o to na pe o wo ku wa bu NEROW online wa mi
wo titi me ade bedi TV ya wo tigi ya
azun wa be do azun wa agbelu wa ya fe de amu wa ya ati azun wa agbelu wa ya mama miracle store na gbon ma e o ma na gbon o ma unu ati
azan agbuwe egbija mama e je gbere won egbija mama e je gbere won Efe, what did me have your bed? Titty here. Well, what give you a panny? You guys take panny, what give you an as a boy? Well, as I'm a bag before you well, make party. If we are young, what I will be. Ya boy, but you in January. I did better. I better, mamma, I did better. Oh, one on the way, Yoko. I wa. What I said, the Nederiatic baby. Ya come here any hour. Wow. Baba na we gboje ibi. O ya ma de do we ku do ba won me nu ye me won ro ri yu. Ile. O wa gua. E bo ri ko ba ra no ru we de mu ni. Ma ye ka kin ama. Ma ni ye ko ma. O so na mama re ko we kin akin. So na mama re ko we kin akin. Baba la we gbe. Wa we o ba na ibe di we se na o je na. Ima me ime wu me no te ba me tem wu egbera na de ti fi o papa kala ripo abo la we gbe wo we be di me wi bi o age da gi ja bi e be e me no o we no kana ta ma me gbe e be da gi ja bi o we titi ya de be di o wa di amo we atikia a ze o ka gbe fun iwa
Poetry.
Sao ba we se wa mi ewe ime ti wa ta gbe ikinira me game e na ya iwa ya delivery a message ni ra me game e ne ido mi ewe o me
How
ka
can
ni
I
awa no
help
we
you?
very important question ni awa no we
Okay. How can I help you? And what's that?
la wo otana ogu wari wan e yo me la wo otana ni no we na you no translate to English language real one so pa me egu gbe bi we be zebo se bebo na otakparo ra hia no we be boru hia yen
And that's true. But how can I help you?
atana my mama cook goat corn you know tell people
Oh my God! Like seriously, just that?
or phone
My mama cook goods come.
Oh.
Just it's nothing.
yen we wazebo
You can say that again. It's a minor thing.
I know
Okay. Say it again.
my mama cook goat corn
Okay. Okay. My mom boiled goat come. No, that's not correct. No, it's not. Like seriously, you want me to interpret like?
Oh, what better?
It's fine. Say it again.
My mama.
Okay.
Why put you? Put you.
I think I need water. Oh my God!
What is that? Coco.
Thank you.
Coco.
No, I'm fine. Thank you. Okay. Say it again.
My mama cook goat come.
Okay. My mom. My mom actually boiled goats for pepper soup and.
Pepper soup Temi!
Pepper soup.
My mama cook goat come. Tell me correct English.
No, I was actually gonna say my mama boiled goats turned pepper soup, but it's not correct. What's all this nonsense about? I don't understand. You're embarrassing me. What's all this? Do you want me to walk out on you? I'm gonna leave this place right now, this minute.
Pretty man is able to my mama cook goat come. Come on, Bebo.
It's okay. Let me say it again.
Pretty.
Let me say it again. Stop laughing. You're laughing.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me say it. My mama cook goats come. Boiled goat come. No, it's not correct.
Ow! Pretty. Pretty.
Okay, wait, hold on. Who keep beso now? You understand? Okay, say it again just once.
My mama cook goat come.
Yeah, that's. My mama boiled goat come. Yeah.
Oh!
What's all this nonsense? Why are you looking at me like that?
Pretty! Oh, mama, I can't get you.
Okay.
Maybe we're frustrating about it.
Okay.
We might not have. Oh, we are way. Me mother didn't have your walking. Erika!
If to wear revision, man.
I will wait about it. Yeah, get where why reason and nothing Efilo. For you to enter where is well the way. If you get the way only me for me.
I can say that you're so dumb that you don't understand simple and correct English. Wait, dumb, illiterate guy like you. Dirty boy. How dare you insult my mom like that? Are you stupid? Are you not? Don't ever try that. I don't joke with that. You're the one that is of Yahweh. You're the one that is of Yahweh. It's not me. It can never be me. Are you okay?
Of Yahweh.
You're so stupid. Nonsense. I can see that you're dumb.
Thank you. On a pack web. When I hear Borovia, no way. A bonoro, when I hear Borovia, no way. Fuck you. Fuck enemy. Oh, Gwaga, Bovia, Erika. Megally back on a woman, but I were there. Was